anti-clack. Okay, no, I'm not doing this. I was gonna start something. No. Little unboxing there. Alright. It's tender in there. Got a new model train. Oh my. I don't want to break it. Oh no. Tape. Grab my tape. Grab my. 1 second. Crispy clean cut. Oh, okay. Fine. Does this not cut bubble? Holy cow. That is thick. Stuck. Caught. Okay. Beautiful tender. Now, I forgot what the locomotive both looked like and was called. So it's a slight surprise. That's the cab. Okay. Nope, don't shake it, Cole. Stop. Stop. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, car. So the locomotive. This was like, I don't know how much. Like 100 something. 120. Somewhere. I don't want to pick up like notes. I don't want to do that. Wiggle. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Now, don't have freight, but I do. I'm not sure. I do have passengers. Okay, no, this is too much for me. Well, first of all, I started in reverse. It's just the way I have my controller. And yes, this is a Garfield bed. Oh, that's picking up speed. This is like no power. Oh, never mind. That's a lot of power. I'm giving it. Damn, that is. In addition to my once 2 train collection, or 2 steam locomotive in the UK region. Most of my stuff is American, actually. This stuff though. I'm gonna just grab the coaches, and away we go. Hashtag epic transition. Did you do this, Flying Scotsman? Did you do this? Or was it you, Smokey Joe? Probably not, because you just got rammed into the booty hole of back of. Oh boy! Hi, Bubble Lamp. I forgot you were there. put power. It's doing this quack again. No. I'll be right back. Okay, I actually don't know what to do right now. You've seen enough of it running, right? In the future, I will make sure that I'm not struggling this hard. That's right. Yes, okay. Sorry, check. Great addition to the collection. It's like my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th locomotive. And there's a 9 in its number. I don't think that matters, actually. It's good. It's got this really nice stand. It's got this really nice green. Like, that is. Oof. I said. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, that didn't happen. Talk about this. Alright. I'm sorry about the jig. Okay, I should probably stop. Sorry about the jiggles. Slight issue. Coming right now. Focus. Or not. This is onion or okay, hang on. Orion. Damn it. It's there's not too much to say. There's no. I'm gonna do a rating system, okay? I don't know why I put my finger out. This I would say is like a 8 out of 9. No. A pie out of 4. Not like pie as in the pie as in 3.14. Yeah, I definitely not count. Can't really count anything. A Flying Scotsman and that. Almost the same wheelbase. This is a 460. This is a 462. And then the Flying Scotsman's got an extra set of wheels in the tender. And that one's British Railways. Smoky Joe. That's Smoky Joe. Might be seeing the dust on here. I need to dust these off a little bit. They've been sitting on the top shelf. Sitting up here, you know. If I leave comments on, leave a suggestion on what to do. I bankrupt, by the way. The hallway dinosaurs. Momentosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Giant Tyrannosaurus, and there's one running away.